Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Dewalt Drain Snake is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner or professional plumber facing stubborn clogs, offering a powerful and efficient solution that can save you time and money compared to calling a service. This 20V cordless drain auger is designed to tackle tough blockages in pipes, drains, and sewer lines with ease, providing the torque and reach needed to clear obstructions effectively. Whether you're dealing with hair, grease, or other debris, this tool aims to be your go-to for maintaining clear plumbing. Number 5. Dewalt 20V Max * Cordless Brushless Angle Grinder, DCG 413B. Experience enhanced performance with its advanced brushless motor. This design eliminates the need for brush changes, ensuring longer tool life and consistent power. Safety is paramount. This tool features a brake that stops the wheel in under 2 seconds on average, providing quick and reliable stopping power. It actively senses bind-up events and engages the electronic brake with full force. This dramatically reduces grinder movement and shuts the tool off for your protection. For added safety, it includes e-switch protection. If power is lost, the trigger must be cycled off and then on again to restart, preventing accidental activation. Activation requires a deliberate 2-stage trigger pull. This ensures the tool only starts when you intend it to, enhancing user control. This is the tool only. Please note that batteries and chargers are sold separately, allowing you to build your ideal Dewalt 20V Max * system. What we like. This tool offers enhanced safety with its kickback brake and e-switch protection. If you are looking for a grinder with advanced safety features and a brushless motor for longevity, this is a great choice. What people say. The Dewalt Drain Snake 20V is a powerful tool that makes clearing drains much easier. It has a good reach and the auto-feed feature works well to prevent cable tangles. Number 4. Dewalt 20V Max Premium 6.0 AH Double Pack Battery. Introducing the Dewalt 20V Max Premium 6.0 AH Double Pack Battery. Experience reliable runtime for your toughest jobs with each battery offering 6 Ah capacity for consistent power. Never guess your power level again. The integrated 3 LED fuel gauge system provides immediate feedback on the state of charge, so you always know how much power you have left. These batteries are designed to be part of your existing Dewalt 20V Max * system. They are fully compatible with all your 20V Max * tools and chargers. Enjoy maximum productivity thanks to no memory effect and virtually no self-discharge. Plus, with a short charge time of just 60 minutes, you'll be back to work in no time. Rest assured with your purchase. These batteries come with a 3-year limited warranty, reflecting Dewalt's commitment to quality and durability. What we like. These batteries provide reliable, long-lasting runtime for your demanding jobs. If you need consistent power and a clear indication of your remaining charge, these are ideal for extended use. What people say. The Dewalt Drain Snake 20V is a powerful tool that makes clearing drains much easier. Its compact design allows for easy maneuverability in tight spaces, and the auto-feed feature prevents cable tangling. Number 3. Dewalt 20V Max Battery Charging Kit. Introducing the Dewalt 20V Max Battery Charging Kit. It's designed to keep your tools powered up and ready for any job. This kit includes 2 5.0 Ah batteries, offering a total of 10 amp-hours of capacity. You'll have the power you need for longer work sessions. It charges all your Dewalt 12V, 20V, and 60V Max batteries. The 4-amp charge rate ensures they're ready quickly. Keep your essentials organized with the included soft bag. It's perfect for storing additional tools or accessories. We stand by our product. The batteries come with a 3-year free service warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This kit offers a convenient charging solution with 2 5.0 Ah batteries and a fast charger. If you need a quick way to power up multiple tools and appreciate the included storage, this bundle is perfect for you. What people say. The Dewalt Drain Snake 20V is a powerful tool that makes clearing drains easy. It has a good reach and the cable is strong enough to tackle tough clogs. The battery life is impressive, allowing for extended use without frequent recharges. Number 2. Dewalt DCD200B20V Max *XR Brushless Drain Snake. Tackle tough clogs with this powerful drain snake. It's designed to handle up to 3-inch pipes, making drain cleaning easier than ever. This tool features a removable drum that accepts up to 3 8-inch by 35-foot cable. You can easily switch cables to suit different drain cleaning needs. Work with confidence knowing your surfaces are protected. The fixed outer shroud prevents the rotating drum from causing any damage. Don't let dark spaces hinder your work. The pivoting LED light with 3 brightness modes illuminates your work area, ensuring you can see clearly. Changing cables is a breeze with the sliding nose cone. It allows for quick locking and releasing of the cable, saving you time and effort. Achieve the perfect speed for any job with the variable speed trigger. The inline forward and reverse button provides convenient control for efficient operation. What we like. This drain snake is designed for efficient pipe clearing with its versatile cable acceptance and LED illumination. If you deal with clogs in up to 3-inch pipes and need to work in dimly lit areas, this tool will be your best friend. What people say. The Dewalt Drain Snake 20V is a powerful tool that easily cleared a clogged main drain line. Its cordless design offers great portability and convenience, allowing for use in various locations without the hassle of extension cords. The tool's robust construction suggests durability and reliability for demanding plumbing tasks. Number 1. Dewalt 20V Max *7 Tool Cordless Drill Combo Kit. This drill driver is designed for tight spaces. Its compact and lightweight build makes it easy to handle for any task. Experience robust power with its high-performance motor. It delivers 300 UWO, perfect for a wide range of applications. The impact driver boasts a compact design, measuring just 5.55 inches front to back. This allows it to easily fit into confined areas. Switch blades quickly and safely with the keyless blade clamp. No need to touch the blade or shaft during changes. Cut through 2x4s at a 45-degree angle in a single pass. This circular saw comes with a 6 to 1 2-inch carbide blade for efficiency. Achieve the perfect finish with variable speed control. Adjust from 8,000 to 12,000 OPM to match your specific application needs. Select the ideal speed setting for any job with the 3-speed selector. This oscillating multi-tool adapts to your application. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides a wide array of essential tools for various tasks, all powered by the 20V Max system. If you're looking for a versatile collection of compact tools to cover many applications, this is an excellent starting point. What people say. The Dewalt Drain Snake 20V is a powerful tool that easily cleared a tough clog in my main sewer line. I was impressed with the battery life of the Dewalt Drain Snake 20V. It lasted for over an hour of continuous use on a single charge. The auto-feed feature on the Dewalt Drain Snake 20V made it simple to insert and retract the cable, preventing kinks and tangles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.